In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Form with photo upload. If you want people to turn in headshots, screenshots, receipts, or project photos right through a form, this is the fastest way to do it. All you need is a Google Form you're already working on, or a blank one you're ready to set up. I'll walk you through switching a question to accept file uploads and then tightening it so only images can be submitted, keeping everything organized in your Google Drive. Start by opening your Google Form. You can use an existing form or a new one. Either works. Make sure you have a question on the page that you want to turn into the photo upload. You can rename it to something clear like upload your photo, so respondents know exactly what to provide. Keeping the question selected will make the next step easy. Now look at the question type menu on the right side of that question. It typically shows multiple choice or short answer by default. Click the drop-down to open the list of available question types. This menu is where Google Forms hides some powerful options, including the one we need for collecting files. If you don't see the menu, click once on the question to reveal the toolbar and then try again. From the list, choose File Upload. When you do, Forms may show a quick notice explaining that uploaded files will be collected in your Google Drive. Go ahead and confirm that prompt. From now on, whenever someone answers this question, they'll see a button to select a file from their device. Keep in mind that file uploads are stored in a folder automatically created for this form, which helps you keep submissions organized. Depending on your account type, respondents may be asked to sign in with Google to upload a file, and some organizations limit who can upload to forms. Just something to be aware of. With the file upload question in place, turn on the option that says Allow only specific file types. Then choose Image. This restricts uploads to common photo formats, like JPG and PNG, so you don't receive random documents or unsupported files. You'll also notice settings for the maximum number of files and total file size. Those are there if you ever need them, but selecting image is all you need for photo-only submissions. That's it. Your question now accepts photo uploads, saves them neatly to Drive, and guides respondents to submit exactly what you need. Save your form, share the link, and you're ready to collect images confidently.